Right, so here I am down in the hard. What I'm doing, I'm testing out this new iPhone 13 for its camera capabilities. Pouring with rain. It says it is slightly water resistant, but we'll find out. And also it's really windy as well, so I'm trying to see how the mics cope, because it's the internal mics, how it's going to cope with the wind. So I'm going to take a little tour down Southsea seafront all the way from HMS Warrior there. Fine ship she is as well. Down to Eastney, right along the seafront, so I'll see you soon. I think this would be a great test for its how to handle the wind. I do apologise for the wind, but there's some spectacular scenery here. Look at that. It's the round tower and the entrance to Portsmouth Harbour. Whoa! It's a blustery day. Let's zoom in on that port. See what the zoom's like. Wow. That is pretty good. Hope you can see it okay. Hope you can hear me okay. Yeah. Whew. Right, let's go a bit further along the beach. And this is the Camber docks. This is where all the fisher boats, trawlers, they're mostly based in Portsmouth. You can see the old cathedral in the background there. This is one of Portsmouth's two cathedrals. This is the Anglican Cathedral. Very cathedral looking, I guess. Here I am, down by the hovercraft. I do have a feeling that maybe the hovercraft won't be running today. Shiny. Whew. It's more blowier today than it was during Storm Arwen. Right, let's go a bit further up the beach. Test. I'm sure you'll all agree. There's the war memorial to the Navy and the Merchant Navy from both World Wars. So I think this camera is on and the microphone more than anything. So down that away. So here's a quick view of Southsea Castle Fields. Very different story to what it was like at Victorious. So, yeah. Let's go back to the car, I think. Thought I'd film this one out the car window. Yes, very I'm actually going to call the video here. So I noticed the actual case. Yeah, look, I'll show you. Really good case, but it's starting to fill up with water. So yeah, probably not a good idea to carry on. But what do I think? So well, so far it seems pretty good actually. The time will tell. I mean, I got a feeling the wind situation is going to be pretty bad with the mics, the internal mics and everything. But it was an extreme test today. Car's rocking backwards and forwards. I'm absolutely drenched. But yeah, like I say, I've been using the G7X Mark II camera since August. I think since the first video I used it properly in was when I cooked beef stroganoff in the chalk quarry, and I'll put the thing up there so you can have a look. And I've been using that camera ever since. But it's actually not mine, it's my son's. We bought it for him for Christmas a few years ago, and can't use it in the rain because it's definitely not waterproof, and that's why I'm doing this test with this thing. It doesn't say it's waterproof, but it is water resistant, and I think it's had a damn good test today to see if it is actually water resistant. The editing, all my other videos, I upload the from the G7X up onto the internet, onto the computer, then via VLC. I've always put it into iMovie, but hopefully, because I've shot the whole thing on this camera, on this film on this camera, I should be able to, the editing should be a lot easier because all the clips are already on the camera, so I don't have to, I'll cut that bit out. But yeah, I think I might have to get an external microphone to go into the lightning port with a little dead cat over it. So that'd be something. It'd just be interesting to see how this camera copes with it. And on that note, I will leave you here, and I'll see you next time when we're roving about, wherever it may be. See you soon. Bye.